Hello, good evening to everyone. It's me, Zhaneth again. Welcome back to my channel. This evening, I would like to share to all of you how to make this very colorful tote bag. So, please join me until the project is done. This evening, this is our project. Simple tote bag. Stripe one. The size of this tote bag is 14 by 12 and a half. Because I would like only to get the design, one direction of the design, only this design. So just I follow the design from here to there, and also I put the pocket. Yeah. Before I put the pocket, of course, I sew to the edges of the pocket, and I follow also the line of the main tote bag. I follow this one so that the outcome is nice. I show you afterwards after I sew to the edges of the pocket, because before I sew to the main tote bag, I would like to put the pocket first. Yeah, and I show you afterwards, and let's continue. Now, I sew the pocket first. Tatahiin ko muna yung pocket po natin. Yan, palibot po. And, leave this part open. Pag nating tahiin to use for turning the fabric. Pag nating tahiin po yung open na to, mag-leave po tayo ng at least 2 inch or 3 inch. So that it's easy for us to turn the fabric. So let's continue sewing that one. This is the most exciting part, because we follow the line, this one, so that the outcome is nice. Yeah. Ito po yung ating gagawin ngayon. Medyo mahirap po siya dahil susundan po natin yung guhit. Kung saan po dapat magtapat po yung guhit na yan doon. So, magiging tayong careful about that. Susundan natin yan. We follow the line like that. Yeah, that you can see the line. Yeah, I cannot say to all of you that is very perfect, but make sure it's not too far. Yeah, so we use the pins to pins it. So dapat gamitan po natin ng pin para maging kalinya po yung inyong gawa. Dapat maging pantay-pantay po yan, oh. Kasi kung hindi po pantay, ganyan po yung mangyayari niya, hindi maganda, ano po. So, we make it sure that the line is just nice. So, we try that one and I show you afterwards. Now, you can see, I use the pin to pin it. Ganyan po yung gagawin po natin, ano po, almost po yung line. Kasi kung hindi po natin susundan yung line niya, ay hindi po magandang tingnan. So, yan. Be patient lang. Be patient only so that we can follow the line. We follow the line for the best result. So, we sew to the edges. Just follow these stitches. Yeah. Like that. After we put the pocket, the same procedure, pagtapat-tapatin po natin yung line para the best outcome po. So, we use the pin to pin so that the line is fixed together for the best outcome. So, let's continue. This is the fabric after we put some pin to pin that so that the line is correct one and the right way. Yan po yung ating fabric, yung pagkatapos po nating i-ano yung line. Kasi mas maganda po kung tapat-tapat yung line niya. So if you don't have any patience, don't buy the stripe fabric. Yeah. But if you have patience, and then this is good. This is very colorful and yeah, exciting. So this is the procedure I made. I don't know to others. Yeah. I make like that because I would like the line is even. So I make like that. So let's continue. I sew to the edges and also to the lining, and our project is almost done. We sew to the corner, two corner, so that the outcome of the tote bag is nice. Yeah, about 1.5 inch only, because the tote bag is just not too small and not too big also. So what I'm saying to all of you, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, kaya dapat po natin pagtapat-tapatin yung yung line po ng ating tote bag. Kaya maganda pong tingnan sa side. Both side po maganda siyang tingnan kasi pinantay po natin yung kanyang line. Yan. That's how I say. That's the reason why I always make it sure that the line is correct one. Yeah, yan po yung ating yun po yung purpose kung bakit sabi ko sa inyo, maging patient po tayo o pagtapat-tapatin po natin yung line para maganda po siyang tingnan. Ano po? Kasi kung hindi po siya tapat-tapat, hindi po magkakatapat, ang pangit po niyang tingnan. Ano po? Tingnan niyo po yung sa bulusan niya. That's the reason why I make it make patient so that the line is almost, it's not too perfect, but you can see the line is still there. Yeah. Let's proceed to the lining. We sew the edges of the lining. Punta tayo sa lining po. Tahiin po natin yung palibot ng ating lining. For my handle. Yeah. I would like to put some extra strap like that. This is the top one and this is the bottom, and just sew to the edges, yeah, both side, and we fix to the tote bag, and our project is done. Now, after we fix the lining and then the handle, we just sew to the top edges 2 times so that more durable, and let's continue until the project is done. This is the project. The project is done. Yeah, this is the project. So after we finish this is our project. This is done already. That's the reason why I always fix together the line, so that is nice to see. Yan po yung dahilan kaya lagi kong ipinapantay yung mga guhit po. Ito pong project na to ay ang nakakapahirap lang po dyan, yan yung line, kasi kailangan po nating ipantay yung ating line para maganda po siyang tingnan. kahit sa gilid. Yan po yung even to the side of the tote bag, you can see is a nice one. Yeah. And I love to put some pocket. So that's why even though to my lining have pocket. Yeah, and also outside here have pocket. So if you have any question regarding about this one, please comment down below. Yeah, that's the project. Very nice color. That's why I buy that one. So you can mix to your you can match to your clothes. Yan. Yan po, maititerno ninyo sa lahat ng kulay na nandyan. Kaya ako nagustuhan po yung tela na yan. So, sana nag-enjoy po kayo at yun lang po yung tekniko. Ewan ko po sa iba. Basta yun lang po yung aking ma-share sa inyo na ginawa ko. Ano po, napakasimple naman. The project is done. This is the project. Yeah. I make this one because I would like to show to all of you how I make my striped tote bag. Ganito lang po yung paggawa ko ng striped tote bag. Nagustuhan ko yung kulay niya, very attractive color. That's why I choose this one. So, hope you enjoy to my video, and if you have any question regarding about this one, please comment down below. I answer as I can. And see you to my next video. Good evening to everyone.